Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee's oil filter. First, gather your tools: a new oil filter, fresh oil, a wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine... Now let's get that old oil out. Slide under your Jeep and find the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great tips. And on another note, after a messy oil change, you'll appreciate easy cleanup. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. On your Jeep Grand Cherokee, the oil filter housing is usually on top of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the new O-ring. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug. Once the new filter is in, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, pour in the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for a minute or two to circulate the new oil. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and check the oil level on your dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.